This winter, millions of people from all over the world will be travelling by air to see family, friends and loved ones.
The UK Civil Aviation Authority wants to help passengers travel safely over this festive period and make sure any presents and party materials they have reach their destinations.
Many of you will be travelling with electronics and gadgets that are powered by lithium batteries. They might be wrapped as presents, but you can help make your flight safe by being aware of the risks and knowing how to pack them.
Vapes or e-cigarettes must be in your cabin bag.
Any power banks or spare batteries must be in your cabin bag. Ideally, devices powered by lithium batteries like phones, tablets and laptops should also be in your cabin bag.
But if they are checked in your luggage, then they must be completely turned off, not just in airplane mode.
From all here at the UK CAA,
Travel safe
and have a great festive season.